Hello, welcome back. So we're going to go over site settings, design settings, and media library. Site settings is where you're going to name your page. So this is what your page name is going to be. And then when you have your domain all set up and stuff, you're going to want to put that here. You can also put a logo here. Just go on this little question mark and it'll tell you exactly what size to do that. That's pretty much all you're going to need here. This template does not come with a blog, but if you did have a blog, this is where you would set it up and you're good to go. So let's move on to design settings. So the design settings is where your branding is. You have these font options, and the template actually comes with fonts that I used, but if you don't want those fonts, then you can choose from a variety of different Google fonts here, or you can upload your own font with a WOFF file. It's WOFF. If you have a font that you want to use and it's not a WOFF file, you can just literally Google convert font file to capital WOFF, and you'll have a variety of fonts or websites that will convert that file for you at no charge. But say you're like looking through here and you're like, you know what, I need Actor. You go to Actor, add Google font, and there it is. Make sure you save it. Now you have access to Actor. Let's go back to design settings. Now, site style is your colors and where your specific fonts are. So first off, the color palette. You have 8 to choose from. You can choose 8 colors that you want to use. You always include black and white. And then I usually go darker on the left, lighter on the right. And how you change these colors is you go into here, you double click, and then you can put in the hex code here. So just put in the hex code, you push OK, color is set. Then with your type styles, so your title is going to be your H1, and an H1 is the big title that is on the page. Usually it only has like one H1 on the page. So that would probably be like your business name. Then you have the heading, which is an H, like H2, and that's going to be probably 2 to 3 on your page. Then you have your subheadings, however many you want. Then you have your paragraph. So you can set these specifically. And right now I have this font set for the title. I have the size. I have the line height, so how close it is to when you have multiple lines. Letter spacing, you can space them out or narrow them. What the alignment is and what the color is. Just go through and just customize it. I usually like to match this. So this side is the desktop, and I usually like to match the desktop with the mobile as close as possible. It just makes it easy. And so we're going to save this. Then we have the media library, and that is where you're going to put any custom fonts that you have and your like PDFs or your photos. So mine, I have a lot. I have so many. I have lots and lots of different files here. I do folders because if I didn't, I would have, my mind would be blown. But I have specific folders, and then in those folders, specific things. So, here's an example of fonts. So these are all custom fonts that I've purchased that I have downloaded. A hero photo. So a hero photo is a photo that will span the whole website. That's a specific size that you need for the hero. So let's see, just different photos, Pacific Northwest photos. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to create a folder, then you're going to upload, and you're going to upload from wherever, just whatever. And then honestly, it just takes a minute, really. It's really quick. It uploads the photo. What I would suggest, if you are getting your website ready, make sure you have your photos all together, ready to go. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a folder. So say you're a photographer and you do family photography and you do like newborns. So you might want to make a folder for family photography and then put all your family photography in there. And then newborns, make a folder for newborns, put all your newborns in there. If you're like a realtor and you want to use this website for a real estate website, you might have categories like homes, 1-story, homes, 2-story, landscapes, whatever. It's whatever you want. But honestly, I'll be honest, like these folders are everything. Utilize them. Okay. So if you're going through here and you want to change out a photo, what you do is you literally click on the photo here, and then your media library will show up, and then you can change your photo. There you go. Easy peasy, right? Just going to change that back. If you want to update your copy, because I'm sure you're not going to use my generic national park copy, you're going to just literally double click on where you want it. And you can either select it all and then just type. That's the easiest way. Just there you go. Super easy, right? So change that back. Same thing here. Just gonna copy and paste whatever your copy is. I would always suggest before you put your copy on your website, use something like Grammarly to like double check the grammar and stuff, and maybe even have someone else look at it. But I find it's easier to have your photos ready all at once and then all of your copy ready. So when you go in to do this template, you're just basically inserting stuff. Okay. So if you want to, say like right here, you want to add like text, you literally just take your mouse and you click here, you go here, you want a subtitle. There you go. Your subtitle's there. And then you just start typing what you want. So easy peasy. And like, you know, we said it's really easy to update this website. You literally just drag it where you want it. So I think that is actually that's about it right now. I will move on to the next thing in the next video. Thank you.